Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix this app has been blocked for your protection error while trying to open program in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. We just need to go to search menu and type gpedit.msc. Click on open it. Under computer configuration you just need to expand the Windows settings. Expand the security settings and expand the local policies and select the security options. On right side you just need to find user account control, run all administrator in admin approval mode. Run all administrator in admin approval mode. Just double click on it. Set this to disabled and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.